everything.
Alright guys, we are back in the data array section. What we're trying to do is this next task where we want to take two dates that are in separate years, it looks like, and then we also, or the year is just a one gap, I believe is what's going on here, and we want to go ahead and just put the month and then the date. So let's see, I think that's the condition we're doing here. So we did our statement where if the dates are equal, we return this. So we can just go ahead and do an else statement here, and we'll set date array dot push, and we may have to change this later, but we're just gonna try and check off one or two at a time and see what we can do. So data array dot push, and then remember we have our month names that takes in date 1 and sets that, and then we want to plus out the day change, and in here we're going to put date 1, 2, and let's see, that should return the first as well. So let's go ahead and say, let's go ahead and put this in here. And then let's make sure our first part is working. Return date array. It's gonna run that. So cool, there's our December 1st, and then we just have to output the next aspect of it. So date array dot push month names date 2 index 1 plus a space plus day change, and then that looks like a third. We don't have a statement set up for that, so we'll do another statement right now. So we'll do an if statement here, or else if, that says if day is strictly equals to 3, return day plus RD. Now when we run it, it should give us the check mark. Very cool. So we got this case set up. What's the next case? So if there's a larger gap than 2, so if there's a larger gap than 1, return the full dates. Okay, we can do that. So let's do an if statement here, or else if, and we're going to say and we're also going to reset the year at this point. So we're going to say date 1 0 is equal to number date 1 0, and then we'll do the same thing for date 2. Date 2 0 is equal to number date 2 0. And all we're going to do here is say if date 2 0 minus date 1 0. So if 2018 minus 2016 in our example here, let's go ahead and throw this in here because we want to test it as we go. So if this is greater than 1, we want to return our data array here, and then we want to push data array dot push. How does it come out? It comes out the month, so we're gonna do month names date 1 1. So let's go ahead and make sure that this is working so far. If statement, it should return December. Very nice. So it returns December and nothing's broken so far. And then we want to, as always, a good sign when nothing's broken. Then we just want to go ahead and return a space. We want to call our day change function, and we already have first set up, so we're good on that. So date 1 second inbox. We're gonna go ahead and, oops, what did I do? There we go. Sorry, I did that in the wrong line. Plus, chain. You know what? Why don't we just save ourselves a headache because I keep on messing this up. We'll just go ahead and copy paste this in. It's the same exact code. So let's go ahead and run that. We get December 1st. We're halfway there. But now what we need to do is put a space, put a comma. I believe it was a comma, space, and then we have to output the year. So we're just going to go ahead and call date 0 here, date 10. And this should be our kind of our formation for the first part. December 1st, 2016. Perfect. Now we just have to return something similar and change the index value. So instead of date 1, we're going to be getting date 2, date 2, oops, date 2, and then date 2. Let's go ahead and run that. Bam, there's our third check off. Alright guys, so in the next video we'll just keep knocking these out. I hope you're finding them helpful. Again, just a lot of if statements, else statements, and functions, and just keep with it. Solve it piece by piece. That's my advice when solving these algorithms. Go piece by piece. Don't get overwhelmed. Go piece by piece. As always, thank you to everyone who's supporting me on Patreon. That shit helps a ton. And all the shares and likes, they really help, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and support me on Patreon. Check out wayup.com. It's a great way to find full-time jobs, internships, part-time jobs, and one-time freelance work for the college student. All you need is a .edu email. It's completely free, and you'll help me out in the process too. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.